Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Signal app not working problem, that is Signal private messenger application not working problem solved. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon if you want to support my channel. So guys, let's get started. As you can see here, Signal app the most trending apps right now. So if the application is not working, let me just say you what you have to do. First of all, that you have to just check it out whether your internet connection is well okay or not. So guys, if you have to check your internet connection, and then you can check it out whether it is working or not. Guys, if it is not working, then no need to worry. What you need to do here, you have to go to Play Store, and then just you need to search for Signal application here, Signal. So after searching for Signal, here you can see, make sure to update your Signal, and then you can try it out whether it is working or not. So guys, if it is not working, then what you need to do, you have to go to your settings, mobile settings of your phone settings, go to app management or install apps or apps. Just go here and go to app list or app manage, and then here you will find the list of the application which has been installed to your phone. So here let me just you have to search for Signal. So let me just search for Signal, and then here you can see this is the Signal application. So what you need to do here, simply you need to click on this force stop button, and then you have to stop the force, and then after stopping the force you have to click on storage usage, and then you have to clear the data as well as the cache. So after doing this, scroll down, and here you will find a permission button. Simply tap on this permission button, and then you have to allow each and every permission out here, and then you can check it out whether it is working or not. Guys, if it is not working, no need to worry. What you have to do here, you have to go to your settings again, and then here you have to click on software updates, and then you have to check whether your system is asking for an update or not. So if your system is asking for an update, make sure to update your system, and then it might work for you. Guys, if it is not working, then this is the trending app. So what you need to do here, you have to wait for some time, because it is because due to the lots of download and network issues. So it might work for after some time. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.